Teelaunch Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Teelaunch and related resources are included in the description below. Teelaunch is a print-on-demand and dropshipping platform designed for entrepreneurs, artists, and online store owners looking to offer custom products without managing any inventory. By integrating directly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, Teelaunch makes it easy to create product listings for items such as t-shirts, mugs, and home decor. Once a customer places an order, Teelaunch handles everything from printing to packaging and shipping, significantly reducing the merchant's workload and overhead costs. One of the key features of Teelaunch is its streamlined design tool, which allows users to upload artwork quickly and preview how it will appear on multiple product templates. This saves time and effort, especially for sellers who maintain large catalogs. Additionally, Teelaunch supports branding elements like custom labels, helping store owners maintain a professional look and strengthen brand identity. A major strength is Teelaunch's US-based fulfillment centers, which usually offer faster shipping times than many overseas providers, helping meet consumer expectations for prompt delivery. The company also offers reliable customer support, which can be critical in resolving issues quickly and keeping customers satisfied. Another benefit is that Teelaunch keeps pace with seasonal trends, consistently adding new product types so merchants can offer fresh designs throughout the year. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. The cost per item can be higher compared to ordering in bulk from a traditional print provider, which might squeeze profit margins for sellers who price their products aggressively. Also, certain products or colors can occasionally face supply limitations, especially during peak seasons, so it's essential to monitor inventory availability and update listings accordingly. Finally, the design tool, while user-friendly, may lack some of the advanced customization features of bigger competitors, potentially limiting design placement options for some users. Overall, Teelaunch is an excellent choice for store owners seeking a user-friendly platform to expand their product range with minimal risk and overhead. Its US-based fulfillment, decent shipping times, and straightforward integration make it particularly appealing for those who prioritize fast delivery and a hassle-free experience. If you're looking to test new designs, maintain a diverse product lineup, and avoid inventory headaches, Teelaunch is well worth exploring.